Magnitude 6.2 earthquake, depth 14 kilometers, strikes Kyushu, Japan on the 2nd of April, 2025. Earthquake subject to change. Kyushu, the southwesternmost of Japan's main islands, has a mostly subtropical climate. It's known for its active volcanoes, beaches, and natural hot springs such as those at Beppu. Its city of Fukuoka is home to museums, megamalls, and Kushida Jinja, an 8th-century Shinto shrine. The city of Nagasaki's 1945 devastation by an atomic bomb is commemorated at the Nagasaki Peace Park and Atomic Bomb Museum. Earthquake Info Credit, EMSC. Thank you for watching.